I feel good with like gloves on.
What?
Like I always feel better with gloves on. Like I dance better and like I feel more sophisticated. Like I just like I don't think I've ever had a number of gloves, but I feel like
I
just,
have
like,
twice.
oh yeah, walking papers, yeah. So like I just feel like I feel like I'm two people because I'm wearing different gloves.
2 people, because
Like-
you're wearing a white and a black glove. Oh my god.
Stay.
Don't even. What are you doing?
Just laughing.
I like the way the skirt
Give it to
moves.
me, I'm gonna run across.
Ah.